Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review. Today we've got something super exciting to unbox, the legendary Air Jordan 4 Retro Thunder. This sneaker hasn't made an appearance in over a decade, and now it's finally back as part of Jordan Brand's Spring/Summer 2023 campaign. Let's open this box and check it out together. Right away, you can see the classic Thunder colorway. The upper is crafted from that premium black nubuck material, which not only feels high quality but also looks sleek and bold. The tour yellow accents on the midsole, lace eyelets, and tongue really pop against the black base, giving it that powerful contrast that sneakerheads love. One of the coolest things about this pair is how Jordan Brand stayed true to the OG design. You still get Michael Jordan's iconic Jumpman logo on the tongue, heel tab, and even on the insoles. Every detail screams authenticity and heritage, while still feeling fresh enough for today's sneaker culture. Now let's talk about what makes the Jordan 4 Retro Thunder such a great sneaker. First, the comfort. The cushioning in the sole gives you support whether you're rocking these casually or on the court. Second, the build quality. The nubuck is premium, meaning it's durable and will hold up over time. And finally, the style. This is a sneaker that makes a statement no matter what outfit you pair it with. The Thunder colorway has always been one of the most in-demand Jordan 4 releases. Whenever these drop, they sell out quickly because collectors, hoopers, and fashion lovers all want a pair. Owning these is like having a piece of Jordan history in your rotation. If you're a true sneaker enthusiast or a fashion lover always on the lookout for the next big pickup, seemyreviewcops is definitely a site you'll want to check out. This online destination has built a strong reputation for offering a wide variety of high-quality sneakers and trendy fashion items, catering to every style preference and budget. From the latest Jordan releases and classic Nike silhouettes to Yeezys and limited edition collabs, the product range is both impressive and up-to-date, giving shoppers access to some of the most sought-after kicks in the game. What sets seemyreviewcops apart is its focus on authenticity and reliability. Customers can shop with peace of mind knowing they're getting products that deliver on quality. On top of that, their customer-friendly policies make the shopping experience even smoother, with affordable prices, secure payment methods, fast worldwide shipping, and responsive customer service that's always ready to help. Whether you're looking to elevate your sneaker rotation or add some fresh pieces to your wardrobe, seemyreviewcops offers an unbeatable balance of style, value,